Sustainable building innovations. Your reliable solution to safe, secure, sustainable structures. Your designed structure is shipped in pre-sized, ready-to-assemble panels to be installed on a concrete slab or SBI'ls panelized floor system. Each is easily handled or carried by one or two individuals for quick assembly. Choose a starting point, usually a corner, and erect your 2 or 3 corner panels. Continue the process by adding additional panels, setting them in place, ensuring their position, and then securely joining them together. A standard hex wrench is inserted and rotates our locking mechanism, tightly joining 2 panels. To dismantle a structure, simply reverse the process, and the locking latch retreats. Continue adding panels down one side of the structure, placing and securing one after another. The panels are fully insulated and tight-fitting. You'll soon notice that your walls are even and straight. The process is fast and simple and requires minimal personnel and time. Soon you'll reach your next corner assembly and find that our design locks the corner securely in place. Special panels will have your required window and doors already installed, eliminating even more installation time. Complete the side. And then you're ready to resume your original corner location. You'll notice that the wall panels are pre-designed with the roof pitch to accept your roof panels, which are assembled in the same fashion. Continue down your 4th side, adding and locking panels together. Soon you'll have a nearly completed building. Ready for that last snug-fitting corner section. You'll find that you have a square and rigid structure ready for your roofing sections. These are added in the same fashion, made to interlock, moving from one side to the other. Simply lift into place, ensure the matching grooves align, and your panels are ready to be tightened as you go along. the roof panels lock to each other and to the adjoining wall units. Proceed to the final row of panels, and your roof has been added. Tight, secure, ready to accept your power, lighting, and air handling needs. With the SBI building system, with only a few personnel and a few hours, your building will go from this to this and be ready for use. SBI. Ship, set, and you're secure.